How do I know what sealants to use? Alpha sealants correspond to the Alpha roof membrane system. Customer service can help match you with the sealant that was originally used on your RV roof. However, you can't go wrong with using Alpha 1021 self-leveling on any sealant repair for your RV roof. Alpha 1021 self-leveling will adhere to all roof fixtures and all roof membranes. Where can I find the correct sealant? Alpha 1021 sealant should be available at your local RV dealer or online at alphallc.us. What is the specific lap sealant to purchase? Alpha 1010 non-sag is our recommended sealant used for vertical areas around the four corners or along the gutter rail. This sealant is available at your local dealers or through our website. My dealer sold me a different tube of sealant to repair my roof. Is that safe to use? Alpha recommends Alpha 1021 self-leveling sealant for field repairs on our roof systems. How do I remove the old sealant? Do I need to remove the old sealant before applying the new sealant? If the sealant is old and damaged, it should be removed by hand. If your sealant is loose, remove it and replace it with new. If the sealant appears to be adhered to the fixture and the membrane while in good condition, it does not need to be removed. You can also bridge the existing sealant by applying enough seal to cover the old sealant completely. How do I determine what Alpha roof membrane is installed on my unit? Alpha's Superflex membrane has a repeating hair cell texture on the top of the membrane and is smooth on the bottom. You will be able to access the bottom of the membrane from one of the cutouts on your roof. Other Alpha membranes will not have a smooth side on the bottom. Can I patch my rubber roof with a Turnabond? A Turnabond repair tape is a great field fix if the membrane is clean and debris-free. Make sure the area around the repair is clean and a Turnabond will work fine. Alpha also recommends our Alpha Bond repair tape for these repairs. Alpha Bond is available at alphallc.us. Are roof bubbles normal, and do I need to have my roof replaced if I have bubbles? Wrinkles and air bubbles in the roof membrane are not pleasing to the eye, but are not a warranty concern. Due to thermal cycling of the roof membrane, air bubbles in the membrane are a common aesthetic but do not necessarily constitute replacing a roof. Can the roof be mended or seamed? There are multiple ways to repair the roof membrane, including heat welding and the use of Alpha Bond repair tape. What is the durability of the roof membrane if there is visible debris, nails underneath the membrane? It is uncommon for debris to actually get pushed through the membrane after installation, unless someone were to step on it, aggravating the area. This area would have to be monitored during routine maintenance. Additional sealant or Alpha Bond could be used to provide peace of mind that the area of the membrane will not puncture or leak. What about black and gray spots or lines in the roof membrane? With a lot of experimentation, we have figured out a way that will clean most, if not all, of the stains off the roof. Brush on bleach with a small paintbrush to the designated areas and let the bleach set for 10 minutes. Next, take a soft brass bristle brush and scrub vigorously to clean the stained areas. To achieve the maximum effect, wipe the scrubbed areas with a clean rag and then hose or power wash the same areas to rinse off any remaining residue. Are there any protectant products to use or not to use on an Alpha roof? Alpha's website provides a list of our aftermarket protective products, which are available at your local dealer. How does Alpha determine warranty coverage or participation throughout their extended warranty after the manufacturer's warranty expires? Alpha requires detailed pictures on all warranty claims. Close-up pictures and pictures of the roof in its entirety allow Alpha to determine the issue and how the roof membrane was maintained during its lifetime. Dependent upon that information, Alpha will decide warranty coverage. Is the Alpha warranty transferable? Alpha's warranty only applies to the original owner and is not transferable. Do roof membrane repairs void the membrane warranty? Depending on the type of repair in question, this step may void your Alpha warranty. we recommend consulting the Alpha warranty or calling Alpha directly for any questions prior to the repair.